More than 400 pesos sa Pilipinas. Hindi ako makamove on sa price. Ayan. Hello everyone, it's Elisa. Welcome to our channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well, and if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be notified or you will be updated if we have new upload videos. And stay tuned guys. And ngayon ay lalabas kami, so ready na ako, magsusot na akong sapatos. And siya ay nag-aantay na sa labas. So, see you later guys. Ayan. Dito kami sa labas. And we are going to grocery. Madaming tao ngayon kasi it's Friday. So, maraming tao. Maraming project. So, inside the Lolo Supermarket. And ayan, nandito tayo sa may mga offer side. Ayan. So, madalian lang to. Ito namin. Ayan, dito may ito yung mga offer na mga product. We are here inside the Lulu. So now we are going to check if they have a salmon. We are going to check. Yeah.
You talk.
Yes. So yan yung ito yung fish. Ayan. Ito. Yan, mayroong malaking fish. Dito pa rin. Ito yung aquarium ng Lolo. May lagyan nila ng ganito. Yung hangin.
Oh, ang Lolo.
Yeah, yung ash, no? Yan. Punta tayo dito. Ito, mayroon silang mga ganito. Nakalagay, nakapack na siya. Yan, may mga price. Mayroon din silang dilis dito. Mga dry na Ito yung dilis, Ayan. Made in India siya. Ayan, made in India. Hindi lang ako gaanong bumibili ng mga tuyo dito. Mayroon kasing tuyo dito, yan made in India. Kasi hindi siya gaanong maganda yung amoy kaysa dun sa atin sa Pilipinas na masarap talaga siya. Ayan, marami sila dito yan. Ito yung mayroon din silang dilis na mga malalaki. Made in Oman naman to. Ito, made in Oman din. Mayroon na silang marinated fish din dito. Ayan. For like barbecue and tuna kebab marinated Arabic. nito, oh. Dry fish, kata, queen fish. Made in Sri Lanka. Yeah, made in Sri Lanka. Ayan, mayroon din, oh. Ganyan yung ano dyan, oh. Ito yung salmon nilang, ano, boneless, skinless fillet. And wala silang ano dito, head. Ayan, yung nag-display yun yung mga, ayan, kababayan natin.
You will check.
Still have?
You will check.
One kilo? Oh. You order 1 kilo? Yeah, we ordered 1 kilo of head of salmon.
1 kilo something
yan.
is like.
Yan yan.
Salamat.
Ano? This one. Yes. I got salmon.
Not happy?
Yes, I am happy. Thank you so much. Date section. Nalulod. Ayan yung mga dates nila, oh. Ayan. Kaya. Ayan. Naghahanap kami ng ghee. So, ito yung ghee na...
Check 1 kilo one.
Which one? Kilo? This one?
Check
Yeah, maghanap kami ng ghee na ano, yung sa ilalim talaga. Yan. Eh. Yeah. Uy, sweetheart, this one is good. Look at.
How many kilo that is?
1.6. Huh? Is made in Malaysia. It one is made in Ludhiana, India, Punjab.
21.
Yeah. We was using this one before, but I like that Berka. I like
Finish
that.
already?
Yeah. And yan yung restriction nila, oh. Then, wait, I will take this.
What are you looking for?
I'm here in the Filipinos product looking. Oh, buy bawang, garlic, this one, barbecue, barbecue. Take this one. Take this. Where are we going? That?
You don't want onion?
Yeah, onion. This one. Later open siya. See you later. Kasi hindi siya, ano, itong section na to, offer din to siya. Yan. Okay. Yan. Meron akong nakakita sa inyo yan, no? 39990. Ito po yung ano na yan, ito. Ano to eh? Sayote sa atin. Ano lang to, pinagtatapon lang to sa amin. Pinagtatapon lang yan. Tapos hindi ko alam bakit ang mahal. All 400 ang kilo. akong ipakita sa inyo. Hindi talaga ako makamove on. Kasi ano siya almost 10 cents na lang para magiging 4 real. And it is more than 400 pesos sa Pilipinas. Pero ito, wait, ito siya. Ito yon. Pero yung iba nagyayelo na. Pakita ko sa inyo. Maghanap ako ng medyo maganda na para makikita nyo kung ano yung vegetable na yon. Ito na vegetable. Sayote. Sayote sa atin sa Pilipinas to. Pinagtatapon lang to sa amin. Tapos yung price, ayan o. Ayan, yung 3.99. Ito. Ayan. Hindi ako makamove on sa price. Ayan. Ayan, labas na tayo. Dito na kami sa sa counter. Ayan. Yeah. Ayan. Ayun. Ito na yung nito. Sitwasyon ngayon dito. Like, look alike back to normal na siya.
Stay
Dahil
here, I'll come.
maraming tao na. Ha? You wanna come here?
No.
Where?
Stay here. I want to check something.
Yeah, you wanna... Mayroon tayong vlog dito. Ayan, papasok siya dyan. Ayan, mayroon tayong vlog doon na Al-Khalili Buildings. Yan yun. Mayroon siyang chinek. So, dito lang ako mag-aantay. And, ayun. Dito tayo. Ito yung product ng shop ng Samsung. And the next is the LG. Yan, marami dito yung mga pang-vlog ng tolls. Yun. Right. And mayroon na silang mountain bike, oh. Yun, yung malaki na yung bike. What you're looking for?
7 is increase.
7 of
130.
what?
GoPro.
Then,
130.
then,
Now we're just checking only.
why increase?
I have no idea.
Maybe the quality? There's a lot of vlogger using the 7.
The 7 is good, no?
Cute, no? Olympia. That one. Olympia.
Good.
Dito tayo.
Put 2, no?
Only 2?
There 2 only, no? Put.
The light is very nice.
Warm white that is.
No? Look at the light.
Yeah, warm white.
Ayan.
I don't understand why they're not opening unnecessary paying rent.
Maybe not allowed. Ayun.
It's
Yung
allowed, no?
yan, fountains mo is close pa talaga siya. And yung din, juice world. Close pa siya. O, yun. Ito yung food court. Ayan. Ayan. What? Huh? You order.
No, you order just.
What do you want?
I don't want to eat KFC.
What you want?
That's you see what you want.
Okay. Hold it. Go. Eat it.
No, go naman.
Dito tayo. Kaya G, can I have the snack box?
Okay.
Only that one.
It will take time, 20 minutes.
It had 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Take something else which can be done earlier.
How about this one? Chicken and rice meal.
All
Same?
chicken pieces will take time, man. That's why I told you. It's only 2 pieces. 2 pieces will take time.
Can?
Right?
Okay.
Okay. 1.1. Just tap. Just tap it. On top.
Thank you.
Small pizza, no?
Okay, you're going. Yeah. Now we are just done ordering my meal. So tahimik talaga dito 'yon, oh. Kasi sarado sila. And yung McDonald, since nung nag-lockdown until na yun, hindi pa sila nagbukas. Hindi sila talaga nag-open. So ngayon nandyan siya. Yan, dito tayo sa pizza. Ayan. Pizza. I thought, mayroon silang sarili nilang space, pero hindi nila inallowed na mag-open. Ayan. Order na siya. How many minutes? Start?
10 minutes, I think.
Sorry. Yan na yung order ko. Thank you. Yan ang order ko. Ayun, nakuha ko na yung order ko. And yung kay Sam din is Pizza Hut. And iba-iba yung dinner namin ngayon. So, now, pupuntahan ko siya doon sa may pizza. Kasi yung Pizza Hut mayroong upuan. So, yun lang yung may upuan na pwede ka mag-antay. So, after this, we are going home. So, sa bahay na kami kakain ng aming dinner. So, let's go. Tapos na yung aming grocery date. So, uwi na kami. Baba na kami. B1. So, yun. Dito tayo lalabas. Hello guys! Nandito na kami sa bahay. And ngayon ay kakain kami ng aming dinner. So, sa akin ay isang KFC. And for him is pizza. Really love pizza. Yan, kanya-kanya kami food. So, you're going to pray. Kain tayo.
Don't look here, huh? That is mine.
Okay, no problem.
Sure? I stop eating KFC
Right?
after looking the raw one, no?
Yeah. When he was eating KFC the time, the chicken is raw. Still have blood. That's why stopping already eating. But do you know that KFC in Middle East is tasty than Philippine KFC? I tried also KFC in India.
Akti Tata like KFC so much, huh?
Yeah. So, tapos na kami kumain. So, ngayon, hello guys. Yan, katatapos lang namin kumain ng aming dinner. So, ngayon, ay mag-unhaul tayo nitong aming pinamili. And, kunti lang yung mga pinamili namin. Yun yung pinamili namin ngayon. Yun yung hindi namin nabili nung ito nakaraang grocery namin. So, ito yung bumili siya nito. Herbs and leaves. Coriander yata to. Siya. Yan. We got this Philippine banana. And also we got this tomato. And we got this onion. We are always using this kind of onion. Yeah. Also we got this Verkagi. Yeah, it is made in Punjab, India, Ludhiana. Yeah, and we got this also. Boy bawang. Mayroon din siyang kinuhang chicken liver. Yeah. Chicken liver. Then, binilhan din niya ako ng salmon. Yeah, 1 kilo yung kinuha niya para sa akin. Fresh na fresh talaga siya. Yeah. So, ngayon, lalagay natin to siya sa freezer. So, yun lang yung pinamili namin. And yung bumili kami ng aming dinner. Yun lang yung grocery date namin today. And that is our vlog for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. We thank you in a million ways for always being there for us. And if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be notified or you will be updated if we have new upload videos and activities. Like, share, comment. May God's guidance be with you and also His blessings abundantly. See you next time!